Today I'm going to show you how to connect an MDB card reader with a smart vending machine. Now I got an MDB card reader and I have this MDB cable. Firstly, we should connect this MDB cable into the card reader. Okay, this end will connect with the vending machine. Our vending machine have a MDB connector here, so we'll connect this together. You see this and this. Okay, connect together. You see that now the card reader is turning on. The next step, we should enter into the APP setting and then we should set the mode to be MDB. Let me show you how. Get the dynamic password. Long press this machine ID. Enter the password. Enter. Click card. Now we should select this MDB. Save. Now the card reader is ready to be used. If you want to get more information, please contact us. Thank you.